Hi everyone. So today I'm here with a new video for my YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone whoever liking my video and watching my full video. Thanks a lot. Very soon I will touch 1000 subscriber. So here I am going to do wet on watercolor. So first I am applying plain water on the paper evenly, and now I'm using French ultramarine uh, on the wet surface. It's very important to make sure that your surface is wet enough. And now a little bit cobalt on French ultramarine, and I'm using a single small brush, mop brush, which I like very much. And you can see my paper is 100% wet, and whatever I am applying on wet surface only. So just watch and enjoy. And here I use little bit gray to make the cloud till the surface is wet enough and is moving. My color is moving smoothly on the paper surface because I like smooth painting. Mostly I use wet paper when I am doing watercolor. Now I am using olive and blue together for the mountain, which is very far from the sea. And remember, you have to leave white for the uh, boat. I think my paper is extra wet now, so I am trying to move my uh, water little left and little right. So I am making slant my paper left to right, and it is moving, and now it's okay. Try to use the tip of the brush. Okay, now I am using ultramarine and green together, little bit ultramarine and little bit green together for the sea, for the water. And little darker strokes, the same color darker stroke for the wave. If you I now I am doing, but you can avoid. It's different up to the artist to artist. Some people like smooth wave, some people like curved wave, some people like just smooth water. It's depend up to the artist. So I am doing now. If I don't like after when it will dry, then I can wash it again. No problem at all. So I'm just to take removing some color from the water surface. Again, thank you so much each and everyone whoever subscribed my channel and whoever watching my video. It's my motive to create a good platform for all those artists who really love to know about fine arts, want to know watercolor, want to know pastel. So I will cover each and every individual medium in professional way. This is my promise. You can follow my Instagram and you can follow my Facebook, where you can see that all the work are 100% professional. But here I started with the basic step. So because I was thinking, if I at the beginning, if I do big painting professional like the complicated painting, people will not going to catch my point. So at the very beginning I just trying to make it easy for you guys. So when whoever following my page every day definitely you will see that slowly after 2-3 months I will do more complicated videos and more detail watercolor. So here you can see that the sky is dry enough. Now I am applying the color for the boat. And please do subscribe the channel. I know so many channels are there, but till if you believe, please believe me that this is exceptional channel. It will help you a lot to learn step by step. Definitely you will improve after 2-3 months. So requesting everyone, please follow and watch the video. Don't skip. When I was a beginner, I was think why everyone request don't skip, because they want to make more watch time. But in this case, if you definitely, this is a motive to my side also, but till in art, if you skip the video, you will miss some important step. Like now I am wetting the surface again for the water, and I am applying some stroke, small little ripple on the water, which will make the water part more interesting. So this is, suppose you skip that part, so you will miss this important technique. So in art, always don't try to make it shortcut. When I have only 10 or to 20 subscribers, my dream was to touch millions. Until now I have the same uh, aim. I know this is very difficult to touch by painting art, but I believe people will support me, and this is my promise that I will share most interesting tips and technique of fine arts. So requesting everyone to watch the videos properly so that you can learn and you can implement your whatever you learn from my YouTube channel. Just implement on your painting, and you will definitely see a great outcome. And after that, if you feel any problem or like product materials, you can ask me anytime. You can DM me. I will try to get back to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.